The 2025 Lancia Y10 marks a significant milestone in the revival of one of Italy's most iconic automotive brands. After years of silence, Lancia is back, and it's making a powerful statement with a stylish, all-electric city car that combines heritage, technology, and unmistakable Italian design. Designed with a modern urban lifestyle in mind, the new Y10 is compact yet bold, luxurious yet efficient, and fully electric from the ground up. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Y10 boasts a futuristic and sculpted design that clearly separates it from anything else in the segment. The front is aggressive yet refined, featuring ultra-slim LED headlamps connected by a full-width light bar that integrates seamlessly into the glowing Lancia logo at the center. The grille area is minimalist, hinting at the car's electric powertrain, and sharp air vents on the sides lend a dynamic edge to the front profile. Moving to the side, the design is clean and aerodynamic, with flush door handles, strong character lines, and high belt lines that give the hatchback a planted premium look. At the rear, a sleek horizontal LED strip runs across the width of the car, again centered around the Lancia name, which is proudly illuminated. The rear bumper features sharp sculpting and an aggressive diffuser, giving the compact hatch an unmistakably sporty character. Finished in a glossy black with contrasting silver elements, the Y10's exterior feels upscale, futuristic, and unmistakably Italian. Inside, the 2025 Lancia Y10 blends innovation with elegance. The cabin is minimalist but far from basic. At the heart of the interior is a wide dual-screen setup, one display for the driver's digital instrument cluster and another touchscreen for infotainment and vehicle controls. The UI is intuitive and sleek, offering crisp graphics and quick responsiveness. Materials used throughout the interior are sustainable and high quality, featuring recycled fabrics, eco-leather, and soft-touch plastics. Ambient LED lighting adds a touch of sophistication during nighttime driving. Despite its compact footprint, the Y10 offers excellent space for passengers in both rows, thanks to smart packaging and a flat floor enabled by the EV platform. The seats are ergonomically designed with a premium feel, and there are multiple storage compartments for everyday practicality. When it comes to performance and specifications, the new Y10 doesn't disappoint. Built on Stellantis' STLA small platform, it is fully electric and engineered for city efficiency, with modern range expectations. The expected battery size is around 40 to 50 kWh, offering a real-world range of approximately 250 to 300 kilometers on a single charge, depending on conditions. Fast charging capability means the Y10 can go from 20 to 80% battery in just over 30 minutes, making it a viable option even for short trips outside the city. The front-mounted electric motor provides instant torque and smooth acceleration, ideal for urban traffic and daily commuting. Driving dynamics are tuned for comfort, but the low center of gravity, thanks to the underfloor battery, ensures a stable and confident ride. In terms of features, the 2025 Lancia Y10 is loaded with technology. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, has built-in navigation with real-time updates, and offers over-the-air software upgrades. A digital voice assistant can handle navigation, climate control, and media with natural voice commands. Safety features include Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight city spaces effortless. The 2025 Lancia Y10 is more than just a compact electric car. It's a strong return to form for a brand that once defined small car luxury. With its bold exterior, elegant interior, smart features, and emission-free performance, the Y10 is Lancia's vision of what urban mobility should look like in the future. For those seeking Italian design, cutting-edge technology, and everyday usability in one electric package, the new Y10 is where